Hey everyone, my name is Amber and welcome to 1 Minute Feaso training video. Now, why did I create it and why do I use it the most? Like, this is one of the most used tools that I use in my arsenal to vet development projects, the potential development projects, and figure out exactly what should I be paying for the land, and figure out exactly how what are the costs and everything, whether or not a project has any money in it. So let's get into it. It's super easy to use, and I'll just quickly go through everything that I've got here. One of the first steps is to go through the setup, figure out what the acquisition costs are, and I'll show you what they are because they're only different cost heads that we look at, and we allocate a percentage to all those costs. We figure out what the construction estimate is going to be. Super easy to do. There are two different ways, and I'll go through everything in a second. And we figure out the sale value. So whatever you are developing, you want to know what you'll be able to sell them for. Different cost heads we'll go through, and the time. And there are two aspects to time, and I'll explain that as we move forward. And then we have target development margin, the amount of money that we want to make. And based on the amount of money that I want to make, I want to pay for the land. So what does that exactly mean? What it means is that let's say if I'm going to take that X amount of risk, that means I'm going to borrow money, to do the development and so on. But if I take so much risk, there is a certain amount of return that I want on all my costs, and that is what a target development margin is. So if I put that in based on the cost, this tool gives me a number that I should be paying for land. And then finally, we get into another aspect where I show you all the different metrics that you'll get back after you've done the feasibility. And then we'll dive into capital raising and what money that you need to raise. So if you work with investors and you want to figure out how much money do I need to raise and what sort of return you can offer your clients, all that is coming up. Thanks.